let's hear from Mr. Jonas Nyberg a few words on how their technology accelerates electric propulsion.
Hey everyone, I'm Jonas Nyberg here on behalf of BERG Propulsion, here for something very exciting, and that is to accept the 2022 GREEN4SEA Technology Award for our nominee, the Direct Drive Electric. Something that we believe will have a big impact in the marine industry, a technology that delivers increased efficiency at better safety and reliability aspects in marine merchant vessels and workboats. This for us started out a few years ago when we set out to really deliver and develop something that is just a little bit better than anything else the marine industry had seen today. And that ended up with our direct drive electric solution being a very large permanent magnet electric motor driving a propeller shaft directly, with a great innovation with how we actually put this together in the compact way that we do. We did this together with our partner Canada Steamship Lines, which is now operating a 26,000 deadweight self-unloader in Canada, carrying this equipment, where BERG has been the partner delivering the system integration to that vessel. This vessel, built in China at Chengxi, is really something very beautiful and something that will have a big impact into the marine industry. So we thank GREEN4SEA and Safety4Sea for the chance of nominating and getting this award, and we thank all of our customers around the world for voting for us in this solution that we believe will be very significant going forward in a marine industry focusing on environmental footprint, safety and reliability. Thank you very much.